Hi, Techlistics here. Thank you for your trust and your time to see this video. In this video, we will look at the ChatGPT Atlas, the new AI browser from OpenAI, the company that owns ChatGPT. The browser is only available for Mac computers. We believe later it will be available for Windows computers. You need to download it if you want, and for you to start using it, you need to log in with your OpenAI account and password. Let me know what you think of this browser if you have already installed it. What's your rating for it? Is it better than Opera, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Arc, UC browser, Brave, Doc, and other browsers? What do you think? Leave your comment, please. And where did you see this video from, please? Remember to follow, share, subscribe, and leave comment for us to improve, please. We click this. We click to open. We drag this to the application folder. We can open it from here. We click open. Now we log in. You can import your bookmarks, passwords, and others if you want. I will just skip it for now. Now, if you want this, you can turn it on. That's using your browser history, useful details to make the browser give you smarter and quicker responses and suggestions. If you want, you can turn it on. Yes. They should put the skip option for all the options they provide. This doesn't have the skip option. I like to take a screenshot of this. See that? Like a normal browser, you can type the URL on the address bar, or you can come here to ask ChatGPT for any help or answer or specific prompt that you want help with. Is similar to the Edge browser, where you can type the URL on the address bar, or you can ask Copilot for help like we have it here. Let me know what you think. Have you used it? What's your rating for this browser? Are you waiting to install it on your Windows PC? Comment, follow, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you again for your trust and your time.